excited to create this video because today I am in the Drinking Garage. This is very nice club and I have heard lots of things about this club. So this is the club, guys. Hi everyone, meet with Mr. Saroj Naidu. He is the general manager of this club. So we will know lots of things about this club. So sir, can you tell me, there are lots of clubs in Indore, right? So what is the specialty in this club?
Drinking Garage is one of the leading outlets in Indore. The main qualities we have that the loud music and the ambience you can look around, and the unique thing which we have me in the bar. Because the drinking we are making the drinks here that has a unique thing. We are not making the drinks; we are preparing the master drinks. Okay, the drinking garage, it comes the part of drinking, So this is the quality which I have, which I am implementing in the bar. This is none other than this Indore.
Sir, I want to know how you came in this field.
It's like, see, from my childhood, I had a dream to move around the world. Okay, so after doing, I was studying my graduation at my hometown. I don't understand. Suddenly, this came to my mind. Let's go to Mumbai, study hotel management, take a flight. So finally, I came to Mumbai. I stopped my graduation, and I was just color of my college on the year of 2004. I was scoring something 85% in my college. But luckily, instead of life in only once, I came to Mumbai, studied, then I went back. So far, I've been to Middle East almost 8 to 9 years. And my best hotel is Simon Group of Hotels, where I've been to almost 4 years. And today, what I am, specially, I would like to tell one of my best friends, two friends, who always used to inspire me in the year of 2009 in Termont, Abu Dhabi. The guy's name is Nelson D'Souza and Martin D'Souza. I love you, my friends. I hope you had a really good life in your life, in your career. And today, what I am, it's like my passion and my called Pagalpan. It's like my hard work. Okay, जो भी हूँ मैं, it's my hard work and my parents' blessing and Lord's wishes.
That's very nice. So what is the different thing that you are providing us so that people can come here again and again to visit this club? Because I have visited lots of clubs in Indore and outside too, right? So what is the different thing here?
To be honestly, the first thing is the ambience, the loud music you have. And the second thing is that we are having too many kinds of promotions. Suppose if you want to go for any drink, you want to go for vodka, we have promotions. You want to go for a beer, we have promotions. You want to go for a coffee, everything we have options for promotion. So nowadays people want, they want to have more things in less price. Like about economics, how to get maximum satisfaction in lower price. Same, people want to spend lower money, they want to get many things. That's why my garage is too much. Look into my promotions. Okay, Long Island. Okay, it comes to vodka, rum, tequila, and gin. If you go for two now, there is complimentary for you. And you get everything boxing only 1,000 rupees. And they're going for the ultimate cocktail basket. You can go for any cocktail. For whiskey, for vodka, for gin, for anything else. You will get only, you have to pay only 1,500 rupees. When other clubs, they're going for one cocktail, they're charging 5 to 7 rupees. But here, all together, we're charging only 600 rupees. Ladies drinks, you will go for sangria, comes with red wine. It is like, almost all the time ladies are waiting. If you go to red wine is for 899. Basket, you have to pay basket. If you are looking for ultra pint, we can give you 5 ultra pint to 1499. And coming back to we are going to introduce power lunch in our outlet. We have some corporate offices and banks near to my outlet. Okay, so what I want to know, we are going to start the power lunch. The power lunch they're going to invite many people here. We have a package, you know, like
I want to know one thing. Like, if someone has cough or something, so is it okay to take a drink?
of course that is known as alcoholic science, which I studied in Dubai. Like suppose if you are taking stomach pain. Come Mr. Come. Suppose, see, if you have any problem with the stomach now, it's called vodka Dragos in France. This has the acid of vinegar. It will clean your stomach. Okay? We are not only giving the alcohol to the guest, even we are looking, we are, experiencing the body language. We are asking that something wrong with you. Are you feeling well? Are you okay? You are telling sir, मुझे pain हो रहा है, मुझे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. So according to that, it is the medicine. Okay? And coming back to this is red wine. Okay? Red wines, it has an alcoholic signs like you used to have piles in stomach. You know, piles in the general everyone. You could drink the red wine now, it will clean all the bacteria in the stomach.
Okay.
Now coming back to one more thing, it's Bacardi. It's all-time favorite. It's all-time favorite rum, white rum. It has one more thing, like suppose you have some diarrhea or something related to, dysentery something now. This is the best medicine. Believe me, you come here, we have a menu with dysentery or diarrhea, I will cure you without having a medicine. It's the best medicine. So this is the unique qualities which you have in drinking garage.
Okay.
So we are not only just creating revenues, even we are providing the knowledge also. Okay. That's the
According to person, you make all the things, right? Okay, that's a very nice thing about you and about this club. That's very nice.
You want to complete drink?
Yeah, sure. We can try.
So this is one of my favorite drinks.
Yeah.
Watermelon. It has box with many vitamins, many minerals. And this is one of the running drink which always blast in the month of summer. It's too much hot.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's the winter time, but still people used to come and have the drinks. Let me make it for you.
I'm very excited.
Let me give you a side. Yes, I'm just taking out for the garnishing. Now,
What is this? What are you doing?
I'm going to make a special size.
Are you going to use this all watermelon?
Yeah. It's very tasty drink. Okay, let me on this one.
What is this?
This is just for making the drink presentations. When the lighting comes like a garage,
Okay.
when the lighting comes, it's going to be attractive.
Okay. Let's see.
Watermelon always, see, this is my own recipe.
Okay.
It's okay. Okay, put ice. Now the watermelon juice, okay, here we add some, this called lime juice.
Lime.
Lime. Now coming back to, always try to remember, this is called coconut flavor drink. It enhances the drink.
Okay.
Okay, when you add coconut with watermelon, try it once. If you try today, you will know what is the main the benefit of using the coconut in the watermelon.
such a nice job.
It's not nice job. It's like my one of my pagal pen. Most of my friends, my family call me Naidu already pagal ho chuka hai. It's okay yaar. As long as I'm enjoying my life, doesn't matter for me. Okay. Now these watermelons, the chunks you have to put on the top. Okay. See, it looks so attractive. Done. Now see this watermelon. Always try to just bring some salt on the topping. Back to back, you have to use some chaat masala. Because India, almost people love to have the spicy things. Done.
It's called a watermelon.
It's my drink lot of the day.
Okay.
Okay. Now the drink will look nice after you put in this umbrella. Put some straws. Then enjoy.
So nice.
It's a combination of coconut, lime, the fresh watermelon juice, and some chaat masala. इसमें 100% guarantee you will drop.
Okay,
And
let me try. Wow, so amazing. So amazing. All the people come to the drinking garage and must try this drink. The name is
Lot of the drink.
Door of Drink. So must try this. This is very nice, amazing.
Now one more drink I'm going to make it to you.
Okay.
Okay. Who doesn't love this coconut?
Very exciting because I've heard lots of things about this.
See, it has one thing that if you drink it in the morning, na, it will completely, heal your CPU, your whole body. Okay, so here, the drink name is Sri Lankan Paradise. Okay, in this drink, we're cutting this fresh coconut, we're draining all the water, then we're putting some ice, some lime, some multivitamin syrup and some coconut syrup. Believe me, this drink almost every time I'm cutting something around 50 to 60 coconuts from my outlet. And people love because it is very good for health. When you have these drinks now, you will know what are the unique qualities it has.
So let me try this and I'll try.
Okay.
What are you going to make this?
Right now I'm going to make a drink. The drink name is Sri Lankan Paradise.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah, because when you go to I've never been to Sri Lanka, but if you go to Sri Lanka, Kerala, like you find only coconuts.
Okay, yeah.
Because they have some unique qualities, Baba, what to do. Okay, so I drain the water of the coconut. Okay, now I'm going to add some, it's called multivitamin syrup, little. Okay, done. Now again, this is one of my all-time favorite. I'm going to use some the coconut flavored drink. It's called Pina Colada. Done. And back to back with a little dash of lime juice. Done. So drink it ready. Wow. I love this thing, Baba.
The drink is ready. Okay. Let me try. So much, Mr. Naidu. It was nice meeting with you and it's an amazing experience with you. So guys, must visit the drinking garage and meet with Mr. Naidu. So do you want to say something?
See, it's I'm going to address the whole Indo city. Okay, I'm so glad I'm working with this Indore and I'm serving the drinks to you. We want to have some expect, the drinks which, out of, like Hatke. So this is the best place in Indore, the garage. we are not making drinks. We are preparing the master drinks. So it may heartily request to all of you guys. Okay, you must visit to my outlet and look for Mr. Naidu. He will definitely make you amazing drinks.